Oh no. You didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls that can do it. But
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, and if you're new here, thank you for coming. Now that you're here, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I post a new video. So without any further talking, let's give this brow some shape. So I'm going to be using Tame It to tame my brows, and then the things I'm going to be using is this, the Tame It razor blade, and then a spoolie. So these are the items I'm going to be using to carve my brow, to groom my brow, whatever you want to call it, to shape my brows. So you can see my brows are looking so bad. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, okay, let me come closer, let me bring you guys closer. Okay, now I'm a lot closer. So like I said, I'm going to be using this brow tamer from FRINGE Cosmetics. The first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to brush my brows upwards. I'm going to open it. So this is how it looks inside. It's a form of gel. So I'm going to take out of it. So I'm going to take it and apply it. So this is how it's looking like. So I'm using the brow tamer to help me carve my brows. So this is how it's looking. So even if you don't want to carve your brows and you're having a and you want to go out, you can always use this brow tamer to kind of like give it some shape, and then you can go out. It's going to stay like this all day. It's going to stay the way you keep it. It's going to stay in the shape you give it all day. So you're going to brush up, because I'm going to start carving from underneath it. So my carving is going to start from here. So first of all, I'm going to hold my razor blade this way, because I'm going to carve. I'm going to be taking out all of this area. So before you carve, you're just going to envision, like imagine the shape of the kind of brows you want out of it. So you're just going to carve it. So let's aim. If you want your brow to go this way, you're just going to imagine the shape of the brow from this bush here, and then take out the excess from that brow. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Just imagine the shape of the brow you want, and then anything that falls outside the perfect shape of brow, you take it out. So I'm going to be taking out all of this from here, right here. So I'm going to be taking out all of this here, from here underneath it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So let's get started. So you're going to be doing it one step at a time. You don't have to rush it. Don't rush it, because when you rush it and you make a mistake, there is no going back on it. So you just have to be taking it out little at a time. So you're going to brush down After you brush down, you're going to notice all the excess you have there, so you're going to cut them off. So you can see the difference between this one that I haven't carved yet and this one that I have carved. You see? So let's move on to the second one. So it's basically the same thing. So all you need to do is just to take out the excess around this area before, after. So let's continue. So the first thing you want to do is this. Go in straight. I kind of like tilt it. You kind of bend it. So when you bend it, you see, this is the way I bend it. When you bend it, it doesn't have that sharp. It doesn't have too much risk to it. So when you bend it, it doesn't have too much risk to it. So guys, this is the end. So this is the end result of the eyebrow shaping. So even though they are not twins, they are sisters. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is how my brows are looking right now as opposed to when I began. So I know they are not twins, but at least we can call them sisters now. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for those of you who are not yet subscribed to my channel. And please turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. So thank you so much for sticking with me up to this time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.